close your eyes now and let the world soften around you. There is no need to hold anything back, no need to keep watch, because you are being watched over in the most gentle way. Above you, the air hums with a quiet presence, like the steady breathing of a great and patient friend who has always been here, waiting. And now, as you settle deeper, you feel the first touch of something vast and kind, something that has been waiting just for you. This place is not far away, though it may feel like a dream at first. It is the river of unspooling time, a garden that floats not on water, but on liquid silver, so still it mirrors the sky above, yet so alive it moves with the rhythm of your own heartbeat. The river does not rush or pull, it simply flows inward toward the center of your chest, as if drawing you home. And as you listen, you realize the ripples are not from the wind or the water, but from your own breath, your own presence, shaping this place just by being here. The banks of the river are lined with silver-leafed trees, their branches spiraling upward in perfect, effortless curves. Their leaves shimmer like polished obsidian, catching the light in ways that make your eyes relax, your gaze soften. And from those branches hang orbs of frozen mist, each one holding a different quality of light, some warm as candle flame, others cool as the heart of a glacier. When you exhale, the orbs drift closer, their light spilling over your skin like liquid velvet, soothing every part of you it touches. You don't need to move to feel the pull of this place. The river already knows your weight, the way your body rests, the exact pressure of your presence against the world. And as you breathe, the mercury beneath you shifts, adjusting itself to hold you more perfectly, like a cradle made just for you. There is no effort here, no struggle, only the slow, deep knowing that you are exactly where you are meant to be. Now, let your awareness drift upward, just slightly, toward the orbs of light. One of them is calling to you, perhaps the warm one, perhaps the cool one, perhaps the one that glows with a light you've never seen before, but recognize instantly. As it draws near, you feel a soft hum in the air, a frequency that resonates deep in your bones, a vibration of 432 hertz, steady and true, like the heartbeat of the earth itself. This sound is not loud, not demanding. It is a whisper, a hum, a vibration that moves through you like a sigh. It doesn't ask you to do anything, change anything, to fix anything. It simply exists, like the river, like the trees, like the light that wraps around you now, warm and unshaken. And with every breath, you feel yourself sinking deeper into this rhythm, this safety, this unspooling of time. The orbs of light begin to pulse gently, in time with your breathing. Each inhale draws them closer. Each exhale lets them settle into your skin, into your bones, into the quiet spaces between your thoughts. There is no rush, no hurry, only the slow, steady unfolding of this moment, this place, this feeling of being held. And as you listen, you realize that the river is not just beneath you, but within you, flowing through you, carrying away anything that no longer serves your peace. Now, let your body relax completely, as if you are melting into the river's embrace. Your shoulders soften, your jaw unclenches, your hands unfurl like petals opening to the light. The mercury beneath you rises just slightly, cradling you, lifting you, so you no longer need to hold yourself up. You are safe here, supported here, loved here, just as you are, just as you've always been. From the trees, a soft breeze stirs, carrying the scent of something sweet and ancient, like rain on warm stone. It brushes against your face, your neck, your arms, leaving behind a trace of cool comfort, a reminder that you are never alone. And as the breeze fades, the orbs of light begin to merge, their edges blurring, their colors swirling together into a single, soft glow. This glow moves over you like a blanket, like a sigh, like the first light of dawn after a long, restful night. You don't need to think, don't need to analyze, don't need to understand. All you need to do is breathe and let the river carry you. With every exhale, you feel the weight of the world slipping away, like leaves floating downstream, like clouds dissolving in the sky. And with every inhale, you draw in the quiet, the stillness, the deep, unshaken knowing that all is well. The trees above you begin to sway, their branches moving in slow, hypnotic spirals. Their leaves shimmer like stars, catching the light and scattering it across the river, across your skin, across the quiet spaces inside you. And as they move, you feel yourself moving with them, as if you are part of this garden, part of this river, part of this unspooling of time. There is no separation here, no boundary between you and the world, only the deep, rhythmic pulse of being. Now let Let your mind drift like a leaf on the river's surface. Let it float, let it wander, let it rest wherever it needs to go. There is no need to guide it, no need to control it, only the gentle pull of the river, carrying you deeper, softer, safer. And as you drift, you feel the first layers of tension dissolving, like mist burning away in the morning sun. The orbs of light above you begin to settle, their glow softening, their presence deepening. They are no longer just above you. They are within you, filling you with their warmth, their coolness, their quiet radiance. And as they do, you feel your body becoming lighter, your mind becoming clearer, your heart becoming more open. This is not a change, not a transformation. It is a remembering, a return to the peace that has always been yours. Now let the river carry you further into the heart of this garden, into the heart of this stillness. With every breath, you sink deeper, softer, more completely into the embrace of this place. The mercury beneath you cradles you. The trees above you watch over you. The orbs of light wrap around you like a promise. And as you listen, you realize that this is where you belong. Here, now, in this quiet, in this safety, in this unspooling of time. There is nothing to fear, nothing to fix, nothing to hurry toward. There is only this moment, this breath, this feeling of being held, of being home. And as you let go, you feel the river pulling you deeper into a place beyond words, beyond thoughts, beyond time. A place where you are safe, where you are loved, where you are exactly as you are meant to be. You step out of the light, and the air around you hums with quiet anticipation. Your eyes meet mine, soft and steady, like moonlight reflected on still water. There's no hurry here, no rush, only the gentle pull of something deeper, something truer. I see the weight you've been carrying, the edges of it dissolving even now, like mist rising from the river's surface. Now feel the ground beneath you. No, not the ground, but the river itself. The liquid mercury holds you, cool and smooth, rising just enough to cradle your body without effort. With every breath, the river responds, tiny ripples spreading outward from your skin, carrying away what no longer serves you. The air is thick with the scent of silver leaves, their edges catching the light like polished glass. And above, the orbs of frozen mist drift closer, glow spilling over you like liquid warmth. The resonance, the anchor, is already here, weaving through the air like a thread of sound. It doesn't demand your attention. It simply exists, steady and unshaken, a quiet pulse beneath everything. Let your breath sink with it, slow and deep, as if you're breathing in time with the river's endless flow. With each exhale, the ripples spread further, dissolving the edges of tension, of resistance, of doubt. And with each inhale, the light from the orbs grows brighter, filling you from the inside out. Now, bring your awareness to your forehead, to the space between your eyebrows. Feel the coolness there, like a gentle breeze brushing against your skin. As you exhale, imagine the tension melting away, dripping down like warm honey, pooling at the base of your skull. Your eyelids grow heavier, your gaze softens, and the world around you blurs, just enough to let you sink deeper. The resonance hums in the background, a steady, soothing vibration that carries you further into stillness. Next, your cheeks, your jaw. Notice how they've been holding on, even if you didn't realize it. With each breath, let them soften, let the muscles relax, as if they are melting into the river's embrace. Your lips part slightly, and you exhale through your mouth, releasing the last traces of tightness. The air you breathe out curls into the mist above, swirling into the orbs, returning as something lighter, something freer. And now, your neck. Feel the river supporting it, lifting it just enough to ease the weight of your head. Your shoulders are next, heavy and warm, as if they are being gently pressed into the liquid silver below. With every breath, they sink deeper, the tension dissolving like salt in water. Your arms grow loose, your hands open, palms facing upward, as if offering something precious to the river. The resonance hums through your fingertips, a tingling warmth that spreads up your arms and into your chest. And now, your chest expands with each inhale, filling with the cool, silvery light of the orbs above. Your stomach rises and falls, slow and steady, like the tide of the river. With each exhale, the last traces of unease drain away, replaced by a deep, quiet certainty. Your hips relax into the river's embrace, the liquid mercury cradling you, holding you without effort. Your legs grow heavier, your feet sinking just slightly, as if the river is pulling you deeper into its warmth. And now, the resonance fills your entire body, a vibration so subtle it's almost like silence. you notice a presence beside you, a figure stepping out of the mist. It's Eve Drift, her eyes reflecting the light of the orbs, warm and knowing. She reaches out, and in her palm rests a small, smooth stone, cool to the touch. The stone is heavier than it looks, its weight grounding, its surface polished by time and touch. As you take it, you feel a shift, something inside you settling, like a key turning in a lock. She speaks, her voice low and rhythmic, like the hum of the resonance itself. You've been holding stillness like a burden, she says, but it was never yours to carry. With each word, the stone grows warmer, pulsing gently in your hand. The river ripples beneath you. The orbs drift closer, and the air thickens with the scent of silver leaves. You are already held, she whispers, by the river, by the light, by the endless, patient touch of time. Now she steps closer, her hands resting lightly on your shoulders. The warmth of her touch spreads through you, dissolving the last traces of separation. You feel the river rising, the liquid mercury enveloping you, lifting you just enough to take the weight off your bones. The resonance hums louder now, weaving through your body like a current, carrying you deeper into the embrace. And then she leans in, her forehead resting against yours. And for a moment, there is no you, no her, only the stillness between. The stone in your hand glows faintly, its light merging with the orbs above. You realize, with quiet certainty, that the stillness was never something you had to find. It was always here, waiting, like the river waiting for the stone to sink. And now, you are the stone, smooth and weightless, held by the endless, patient flow. The resonance hums one last time, a deep, resonant note that vibrates through your bones. Slowly now, Eve steps back, her hands lingering just a moment longer. The stone remains in your palm, its weight a reminder, a touchstone. She smiles, her eyes reflecting the light of the orbs, warm and inviting. You don't have to hold on, she says. Not anymore. The river beneath you ripples again, carrying away the last whispers of resistance. The orbs above drift closer, their light spilling over you like liquid velvet. You feel the coolness of the silver leaves against your skin, their edges catching the light. The resonance hums softly, a steady pulse beneath everything, anchoring you to this moment. And now, the river pulls you deeper, the liquid mercury rising just enough to carry you further into stillness. each breath, you sink a little more, your body growing heavier, your mind quieter. Eve's voice is a whisper now, carried on the hum of the resonance. Let the river hold you, she says. Let the light fill you. The stone in your hand grows warmer, its glow pulsing in time with your heartbeat. The orbs above merge with your breath, their light flowing into you with each inhale. And with each exhale, the river carries away what no longer belongs. You feel the edges of your body softening, dissolving into the embrace. The resonance hums through you, a vibration so deep it's almost like silence. The silver leaves rustle softly, their sound blending with the river's endless flow. And now there is only this moment, this stillness, this quiet certainty. You are held, you are safe, you are exactly where you need to be. The river rises higher, the liquid mercury cradling you like a gentle tide. The orbs above drift closer, their light spilling over you like liquid warmth. The resonance hums in the background, steady and unshaken, a quiet pulse beneath everything. And now, the stone in your hand grows lighter, its weight dissolving into the river's embrace. You no longer need to hold on, not even to the stone, not even to the stillness. Eve's voice is a whisper, carried on the hum of the resonance. Let go, she says. Just let go. The river pulls you deeper, the liquid mercury rising just enough to carry you further. The orbs merge with your breath, their light filling you from the inside out. And now there is only this endless, patient flow, this quiet, certain stillness. Your body grows heavier, your breath slower, your mind quieter. The resonance hums through you, a vibration so deep it's almost like silence. The silver leaves rustle softly, their sound blending with the river's endless flow. And now, the stone slips from your fingers, sinking into the river without a sound. You don't need it anymore. You are the stone, smooth and weightless, held by the endless, patient touch of time. Eve's voice fades into the hum of the resonance, her words lingering like a promise. You are already held, she whispers, by the river, by the light, by the endless, patient flow of time. The orbs above drift closer, their light spilling over you like liquid velvet. The river rises higher, the liquid mercury cradling you, lifting you deeper into stillness. And now, there is only this moment, this quiet, this endless, patient embrace. Your breath slows, your body grows heavier, your mind quieter. The resonance hums in the background, steady and unshaken, a quiet pulse beneath everything. The silver leaves rustle softly, their sound blending with the river's endless flow. And now, the river pulls you deeper, the liquid mercury rising just enough to carry you further. You feel the edges of your body dissolving, softening into the embrace. The orbs above drift closer, their light spilling over you like liquid warmth. The resonance hums through you, a vibration so deep it's almost like silence. And now there is only this endless patient flow, this quiet, certain stillness. You are held, you are safe, you are exactly where you need to be. The river carries you, the light fills you, and the stillness is yours always. Close your eyes now and take a slow, deep breath in through your nose, allowing the air to fill your lungs completely, gently expanding your chest and belly. Feel the weight of your body settling into the surface beneath you, each point of contact becoming heavier, more anchored, as if the earth itself is cradling you. Around you, the air hums softly with the sound of green noise, a steady, healing frequency that wraps around you like a warm, velvet blanket, grounding you in this moment. With each exhale, release any tension you might be holding, letting it dissolve into the air like mist rising from a quiet lake at dawn. Imagine the space around you is vast and open, filled with a gentle emerald light that glows softly, pulsing in time with your breath. This light carries the presence of Veda Star, a benevolent force that watches over you with kindness, guiding you inward with every breath. Now bring your awareness to the top of your head, the crown, where the skin meets the air. Notice how the green noise seems to vibrate just beneath the surface, a soft, rhythmic hum that resonates through your skull, soothing any tightness. As you focus here, feel the weight of your thoughts begin to soften, like clouds drifting apart in a summer sky, making room for stillness. Let this stillness settle over your forehead, smoothing out any lines of tension, as if a cool, gentle breeze is brushing across your skin. Your eyelids grow heavier, each blink slower than the last, as the muscles around your eyes relax completely, melting into the warmth of the light. Now move your attention to your cheeks and jaw, where so much of our daily holding lives. With each exhale, allow your jaw to soften, your lips to part slightly, as if you've just taken a sip of something cool and refreshing. Your neck and shoulders are next, carrying the weight of the day like a cloak you've worn for too long. Feel the green noise work its way down, loosening the knots, unraveling the threads of tension that have woven themselves into your muscles. Imagine the warmth of the emerald light seeping into your shoulders, melting them downward, as if they're being drawn toward the earth by an invisible, gentle pull. Your arms grow heavy now, sinking into the surface beneath you, each finger relaxing one by one, as if they've been holding onto something light, a feather perhaps, and are now letting it go. Your hands rest open and still, palms turned upward, ready to receive the quiet, the peace, the deep, unshakable calm. Now shift your awareness to your chest, where your breath rises and falls like the tide, steady and sure. With each inhale, feel the space inside your ribs expand, welcoming the air like a long lost friend. And with each exhale, release anything that no longer serves you, letting it drift away on the current of the green noise. As your chest relaxes, let your attention drift downward to your stomach, where the warmth of the light gathers like sunlight on a quiet afternoon. Feel the muscles here soften, the tension dissolving, as if the weight of the world has been lifted from your shoulders and placed gently aside. Your hips sink deeper into the surface beneath you, heavy and still, like stones at the bottom of a clear, shallow stream. Now bring your awareness to your legs, long and strong, yet now feeling as light as reeds swaying in a breeze. Your knees relax, your calves grow soft, and your feet, oh, your feet, melt into the earth as if they've found their way home. With every breath, you sink deeper, the green noise cradling you, guiding you further inward, toward a place of perfect stillness. Now imagine you are standing at the edge of a vast, ancient forest, the air thick with the scent of pine and earth. The green noise hums around you, not just a sound, but a living presence pulsing through the trees, the moss, the very soil beneath your feet. You step forward, your bare feet sinking into the soft, cool moss, each step lighter than the last, as if the forest itself is lifting you. Ahead, you see a path winding through the trees, bathed in the emerald light that has followed you here, guiding your way. As you walk, the air grows warmer, filled with the sound of distant birdsong and the rustle of leaves, a symphony of life and peace. You come upon a clearing where the light is brighter, almost golden, and in the center stands a circle of stones, each one smooth and worn by time. At the heart of the circle, a figure waits, Veda star, glowing softly, their presence radiating warmth and acceptance. You step into the circle, and the air around you hums with energy, the green noise growing louder, more vibrant, as if it's welcoming you home. Veda star reaches out a hand, and in their palm, you see a small, shimmering feather, glowing with the same emerald light that surrounds you. This feather represents a name, the part of you that has been holding on, clinging to the edges of warmth, afraid to let go completely. Veda star speaks, their voice like the wind through the trees, soft yet clear. It's time to release this weight, to let the feather drift away on the breeze. You take the feather in your hand, feeling its lightness, its delicate warmth. And as you do, you notice how tightly you've been holding onto it. With a slow exhale, you open your hand, and the feather lifts into the air, carried away by the wind, disappearing into the emerald light. As the feather drifts away, you feel a wave of relief wash over you, as if a door you didn't know was closed has now opened wide. Veda star smiles, their light growing brighter, filling the space between you with warmth and acceptance. You are forgiven, they say, for forgetting, for holding on, for every moment you thought you had to carry this alone. The stones around you begin to glow, their light merging with the green noise, creating a symphony of sound and color that wraps around you like a cocoon. You feel lighter now, as if you've shed a skin you no longer need, your body humming with the same frequency as the forest, the air, the earth. Veda star steps closer, placing a hand on your shoulder, their touch sending a ripple of warmth through you, sealing this moment of release. Now the forest begins to shift around you, the trees growing taller, their branches weaving together to form a canopy of emerald light. The air grows softer, warmer, as if the forest itself is cradling you, guiding you back to the surface of your awareness. You feel the weight of your body returning, your breath deepening, your senses sharpening. Yet the peace you found remains, a quiet hum beneath it all. Veda star's voice fades into the rustle of leaves, their presence lingering like the afterglow of a sunset, warm and comforting. You take one final breath, filling your lungs with the fresh, clean air of the forest. And as you exhale, you feel yourself drifting back to this room, this moment. Your fingers and toes begin to tingle, your eyelids fluttering gently, as if waking from a long, restful sleep. When you're ready, you can open your eyes, carrying with you the warmth, the peace, the deep, unshakable calm you found here. And now, the images grow softer, fading like morning mist in golden sunlight, leaving only the feeling behind, the warmth you carry with you, like sunlight on closed eyelids. You don't need to hold onto anything, not even these words. They've done their work, melting into your skin, your bones, your breath. The hum you've been listening to, that gentle resonance, it doesn't need you to keep listening. It doesn't need you to do anything at all. It continues its quiet work beneath your skin, beneath your thoughts, a steady current of peace. Your body already knows what to do with this, how to let it settle, how to let it heal, how to let it rest. This feeling, this deep, quiet comfort, it isn't something you have to chase, or earn, or even remember perfectly. It's already yours, like the air you breathe, like the space between your thoughts. And whenever you need it, whenever you want to return to this stillness, this warmth, this ease, it will be here, waiting for you. Not as something you have to find, but as something you simply step back into, like slipping into a favorite chair, or wrapping yourself in a well-worn blanket. The door is always unlocked. The light is always on. You don't even have to think about it. Just let the feeling rise up and meet you. And now, the words grow softer still, fading into the hum, fading into the silence. You don't need to follow them. You don't need to do anything at all. Just let your breathing slow. Let your muscles soften. Let your mind drift wherever it needs to go. The resonance has done its work. The warmth has settled in. And now, there's nothing left but rest. Nothing left but peace. Nothing left but the quiet. Sleep now. Close your eyes. The quiet stays.